at how we can bring this to conclusion in the next few weeks or in the next month or so. That we are also concerned as a country about what is going on in Sudan, the atrocities, the human suffering, the serious humanitarian situation that is unfolding in Sudan. And yesterday, I briefed my brother that I got a special envoy sent by General Burhan of the Sudan on how Kenya can assist in sorting out the situation, the dire situation in Sudan. And I've shared this with my brother, how as African leaders we can bring more to bear in sorting out the challenges that face our continent. I have also briefed my brother of my engagement with the President of Angola, who is currently the chair of the initiative on the resolution of conflict in Eastern DRC, a situation that is also degenerating, according to recent reports, something that is of concern to all of us as leaders in this continent. And I have asked my brother to use his friendship and influence to see what we can do together around the situation in DRC. And of course, the situation in Somalia and the steps that are being taken so that we can transition from ATMIS to the new arrangement that is under the African Union. These are some of the discussions that has informed my conversation with my brother here, because we believe that to be able to unlock the potential that exists in our continent for industrialization, for job creation, for unlocking the potential of the resources that exist in our continent, peace and security must be front and center, because there can never be any investment of trade in an environment of conflict and insecurity. Allow me, Your Excellency, to conclude by giving you my assurance and that of the government and people of Kenya of the friendship and partnership between Kenya and your great country, and to thank you most sincerely for supporting Kenya's candidature of the Africa Union Commission, as I informed you earlier last year, and to in a very special way recognize your efforts in not only supporting the Honorable Raila Odinga, but also canvassing support for him in Western Africa. We very sincerely thank you, Mr. President, for that friendship and brotherhood that you have demonstrated. To assure you that this is your other home, whenever you have an opportunity to be in this country, you are most welcome. You have asked me that we need to have a conversation with Kenya Airways so that we can again expand the route network of Kenya Airways to include Guinea-Bissau. And I have undertaken that we will be having that conversation with the Ministry of Transport and Kenya Airways to see how we can create better connectivity to move people, to move ideas, to move goods between our countries, and to enhance communication between the West and East and between Kenya and Guinea-Bissau. Once again, I extend my very heartfelt gratitude to you, Your Excellency, for your visit to Nairobi and for the fruitful and insightful engagements we've had, and I look forward to continued collaboration between our two countries. I thank you.
Thank you, my brother. Muito obrigado, meu caro irmão.